afternoon, everybody. I'm so honored to stand here and make this speech. Before my speech, I want to ask the question: do you guys know how many wildfires happened this year in California?
No. And it's once.
And this one. No joking. It's serious. Okay. Let me tell you the answer. There are 6,402 wildfires in California since January 2019. So today I'm going to talk about wildfire in California. So wildfire is a really big problem in California. So let's look at my structure. First, I will tell you my definition of wildfire, and secondly, and causes. Third, I will talk some effects, and then I will offer some solution of wildfire, and last, I have a conclusion. So let me moving on definition. The 2019 wildfire season is the current running fire season in California. There are totaling an estimated of 250,000 acres of burned land. There are two keywords in this definition. Current running. Current running is mean happening right now. So this season is very easy to happen to wildfire. And estimated. Estimated is mean educated guess. It's an academic word. So now I will talking about causes of wildfire. The first cause is raising temperature. I found the article at www.thebalance.com on July 8, 2019 by Kimberly Amado. In the article, she said raising temperature increase evaporation. The atmosphere draws more moisture from soils, making the land drier. So scientists thought the wildfire were strictly a function of drought. Let me explain it. So this proved that one of the biggest causes of wildfire is raising temperature, and raising temperature can make wildfire more easily to happen. The second cause is bark beetles. Bark beetles. Yeah. According to the article on www.cbsnews.com on August 28, 2018 by Dr. A, he said trees attacked by bark beetles are dry and easy to burn. It usually takes a year for the trees to remove their needles. The number of attacked trees increase as bark beetles attack the trees to increase their flammability. So, who do you know what is bark beetles?
It's an animal.
Yeah.
Insect.
It's an animal, and he is very small and attack the trees. It's very dangerous. Let me explain it. Because bark beetles can damage trees, this can lead to an increased possibility. So next part, I will talking about little impact. The first important impact is economic impact. I found the article in the balance.com on July 8, 2019, the same article. The other make a data in here. 2018, the California government has $400 billion dollars in damage. And in 2019, they caused $163 million in suppression. It's very big. It's a very big number. So the second effect is smoke. Everybody knows another school has some holiday because of smoke, but it wasn't SFSU. On SF Carbon.com on October 28, 2019, by Adam, he said when fire particles enter the body, they can lodge in the lungs and the heart, irritating the respiratory system and making it more difficult for a patient to expel harmful materials. What it means? It means I defend that the wildfires make smoke infect people with heart or lung diseases, older adults and children, all of who should reduce prolonged and heavy exercises. Then let's go into solution. The first solution is government policies. Let me make an example. The California government not allowed people development in the forest. They protect the forest. So this causes real estate, industry, forestry develop slower. But it also has the benefit. It can reduce the chance of the wildfire. It's a good solution for wildfire. The second solution is removing spindly and weak trees. The cost is a lot. It consumes a lot of human resources and financial resources. Use a lot of money. What it means? Government should removing these spindly and weak trees. They should spend a lot of time, spend a lot of money, and use a lot of people to do this project. It's a very big project, but it also have effect benefits. It can control wildfire at source. It's very useful. Because this topic is a very big topic, but there are a lot of solutions in the internet and some experts use them. But I only choose these two solutions because these two solutions I think is very useful. To wrap up, I want to say wildfire is the biggest problem in California. It's a big problem. And I think government should not allow people do some project or do some project and development in the forest. The government should use a lot of money to solve this problem, removing these spindly and weak trees and protect the forest, and make some strict rules to protect the forest. If this action is not taken, I think maybe in the future more and more wildfire will be happening in California. So thank you. Who has question? Ian.